Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. How are you? I'm fine. I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Home TV, and you are looking the best trendy collections of hair. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, especially made for any season. Completely waterproof and windproof, excellent and romantic hoodie. Dear friend, different variety of my channel, YouTube Home TV. You are looking the best trendy collections of raincoat. My all collection is very new. Different variety my YouTube TV. Pressing bell icon you can get my new uploading attractive videos. Please like my videos and share my videos about on your choice. My video is to be end. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Allah Nigabal.